today's workout is going to be our squatting medley. This is week 3 of our squats, and we're going to be completing again the overhead squat, the front squat, and the back squat. In week 1, we completed 1 rep of each. In week 2, we completed 3 reps of each. Now, hopefully, you've recorded these numbers, and you can go ahead and reference them for this week. This week, we do 5 of those squats in order to go ahead and continue to build the strength. My goal here is to build your overhead strength, but also entice you with that front squat and the back squat. Now today, every single segment will have 4 sets. You'll do 1 set every 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That means you'll spend 10 minutes on each of the squats. We're starting again at the overhead squat. We're going to go ahead and complete 5 reps of the overhead squat unbroken, and we're going to do that every 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The goal here is to try to match your 1 rep or your 3 rep, or even exceed that number and go ahead and get a new 5 rep max. For some of you, this is still a challenging movement, but hopefully we're getting more familiar with it and we're going to feel more comfortable. Once you finish those 4 sets, you're going to move directly to the front squat. When you're doing the front squat, my hope is that you can just go straight from the overhead squat, add some weight, or start there and start rolling through your 4 sets of front squats. There shouldn't be a lot of fiddling. You should know yourself a little bit more now and how you can move the weight and how much you need to gotta add or subtract. As soon as you finish the 4 sets of front squats, we're moving directly into the back squat. And again, it is my hope that you can just go from your last front squat number directly to your first back squat. But if not, it's not the end of the world. We're just trying to remember what we did in previous weeks so we can use that as a reference. It's time to start logging your information. SugarWOD and Tribe are great resources that you can utilize to log your results. However, a notebook, like I do, can hold that information, and some people like to put it in just their notes feature of their iPhone or their other phone, whichever one you have. But start recording this stuff. This stuff is informative, and you can learn from it. You can pull from it, and you can actually be able to have a more educated guess on what to use in workouts and strength pieces as well. Today's strength is going to be fun, and it's going to be challenging if you let it. I hope you enjoy today's strength.